Hey, what's up guys? Jay here from Comotic Reviews. Today magkakaroon tayo ng quick unboxing and also first impressions video nitong cellphone na to, the VIVO Y22s. So itong phone na to was just released a month ago, August 2022. So it's a mid-range phone. So tingnan natin kung anong laman and kung anong makikita natin sa loob ng box na to. Alright, so we have our knife here. So yung box actually is medyo malaki siya and makapal. So that means we're hoping na sana is meron tong charger. Typically naman yung mga mid-range phones meron siyang charger. Yung mga flagship phones is yun yung wala. Like, weird, di ba? Pero ganun nga siya. Ganun yung situation. But anyway, so here it is. Tinanggalan natin yung plastic. Let's see what's inside. Alright. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung makita natin sa loob. Of course, you have your phone itself. So, isa-isa muna natin laman bago natin tingnan mismo yung phone. So, you have your phone. Tingnan po natin kung ano yung nasa loob. So, lagyan natin dito. Phone. And then, of course, documentation. Then, you have there, you have a clear case. So, they included a clear case. So, I think kadalasan ng mga mid-range phones actually, naglalagay sila ng case. So, this one, they have included a clear case. Then, you have here your charger. So this charger, let me just double check. Is it possible? Is it capable of? All right, so capable siya. So this is an 18-watt charger na sinama kasi itong phone na to, itong Y22s is capable of fast charging up to 18 watts. So and they included a charger na 18 watts. So that's actually very good. No. Sama to. And then lastly, of course, no, not lastly. There's also another thing here. So you have your cable, USB-C cable. Yeah, USB-A to USB-C. And then you have here your SIM card ejector. So hindi ko na yan tatanggalin dyan. Alright, so that's what we have when it comes to yung mismong laman. So how many? Actually, ilan yung laman? Tingnan natin. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, merong 6 na laman. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Phone case, documentation, charging brick, your cable, and then also your SIM card ejector. Meron bang wala? Yan na yun. Okay, yan na yung nasa loob nung box mismo. So, anyway, tatawin na natin muna itong mga to kasi we wanna see kung ano itong mismong phone. No? Itong mismong phone. Tingnan natin kung anong meron siya. So, let me just take it out. Okay. Tanggalin natin. There you go. Alright. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita natin dito sa phone mismo. And, one thing agad na notice ko is that meron siyang, nakita nyo ba? Meron siyang screen protector na nakalagay na mismo dito. Hindi ko lang kung nakikita ninyo pero I can see it. So, screen protector. So, may kasamang clear case and then meron din itong screen protector. So, that's a good thing. At least hindi na kayo gagastos para dun sa dalawa na yan. No? Of course, later on, maybe you wanna change it. Pero at least sa umpisa, meron na kayong screen protector, saka meron na kayong clear case. And then, let's look at the phone. So, yung phone, actually, medyo magaan siya. No, don't get me wrong. Hindi siya yung magaan na parang magiging cheap or madaling masira yung feel. Hindi ganun yung feel niya. Pero magaan siya. May kukumpara ko sa ibang phone. Now, in terms of the size, okay, this is my iPhone 12 Pro. So, ganyan yung size niya against that. And then, itong S21 na nandito sa table. Yan lang natin. Ayan yung size niya. Now, I have my A33 here. Let me just get it. Our A33. Tingnan lang natin kung ikukumpara natin sa A33 natin. So, this is our A33 here. Tingnan natin. Alright, halos magkasing size silang dalawa actually. And then, pagdating sa ganyan, medyo mas malapad ng onti itong VIVO Y22s. Right? So, and then what else can we see here? So, wala dito sa gilid. Then, dito sa gilid, volume rocker, and then power button. And from what I understand, ito rin yung is fingerprint sensor. Itong power button mismo. And then, SIM card there. And then, sa baba, you have your supposed speaker, USB-C charging port, and kung ano na pang pwede nyo ikabit dito. Supposed to be mic, and para sa mga mailig sa wired na headset, you have your headphone jack. So, I'm pretty sure that's a plus for you guys. And then we have this at the back. So, itong color na to, if I'm not mistaken, is called Summer Cyan. Let me just double check sa box. Summer Cyan, tama ba? Yes, so Summer Cyan ang tawag dito sa color nito. I like this color actually. And meron pa itong isang color, I think parang mas more on darker color siya. So but itong nasa ating is Summer Cyan, and it actually looks pretty cool. Parang medyo holographic yung dating ng color, no, nag-iiba-iba yung parang kulay niya depende sa tama ng ilaw sa angle. Then you have your dual camera setup here. Medyo malaking lens yung tsura, no? And then I think that's just your flash. All right. And then flat screen. And this one, I think, is this metallic? Parang metallic siya. Pwedeng metallic or plastic. I'm just not sure, right? And then you have your selfie camera. And I think that's another probably speaker there, maybe. But we'll check it out. By the way, as I mentioned, gagawa ako ng video nito later on ng full review. I'm just here for the unboxing and first impressions. And let's turn this one on and let's see kung anong kalalabasan. Right, there you go. I think this will ask for some Wi-Fi password and all that stuff. I-set up ko muna yon, and then babalik na lang ako later pag once na nagawa na natin lahat yan. Alright? Okay, resume tayo. And papakita ko lang, no, dito kasi ako sa stage na mag-set up ng fingerprint para sa security. And this is just to confirm na yun nga, no, itong side na to, as you can see from here, yung side na to, that's your fingerprint scanner. So let's start doing that. So okay, fine, sure, agree, let's do that. So as you can see from here, right, okay, and right, let's all right, already scanned. Tagal ah. Alright, done. Okay. And then also, just to show you, meron siya ng face, kahit yung face unlock, meron din siya. Alright, so, saka na natin gagawin yan sa full review, pero just to let you know, meron din siya nun. Alright, I'll just skip this next, and then click OK, and then ituloy lang natin to. And next, and dami actually. Alright, we can now use the phone as it says. So, it's loading now. And alright, so yung screen nito is just IPS LCD. So don't expect na magiging mas parang vivid siya katulad ng mga, or magiging kasing vivid siya ng mga LED o mga OLED na screens, no. Medyo madilim, pero I think this can improve. Alright, there you go. Okay. Whoa, alright. Alright. Actually, not bad, huh? It's actually not too bad. I was expecting na sobrang magiging parang ano siya, yung parang medyo malabo, yung parang may ulap. And then also yung mismong mga letters, yung mga yeah, they're actually very sharp. So that's actually very good. So yan yung medyo no sa akin pagdating sa screen, yung parang medyo malabo. And then at the same time is pag yung mga letters parang nakikita mo pa siya na pixelated, parang medyo hindi siya magandang tingnan. Now, I'm not sure whether this is actually mataas yung refresh rate ng screen, but this one feels smooth to me. I'll verify that later sa full review na, no. Pero yeah, that's actually not too bad, and it's kind of fast as well. I think the last thing I'll just check here, no, para lang dito sa first impressions and an unboxing review video na to is unboxing and impressions video na to is I'm just gonna see yung sa software, no. So from sabi sa akin when I was buying this is actually using Android 12. So let's verify that. So let's go to that. So let's go to the about this phone, and yeah, I think we can confirm now. Can you see it, guys? So it's 12 Fun Touch OS. And then yung kanyang processor is Snapdragon 680. So yeah, that's good. Then yung RAM is 6GB, and then you can have an extra 2GB virtual RAM for a total of 8GB kung talagang kinakapos pa kayo sa RAM. And there you go. Yung Android version is 12. So hindi naman pala ako niloko nagbebenta nito. Na joke lang. Sa Vivo ko mismo bumili nito. So siguro naman tama yung mga pinagsabi nila. And yung storage nito right now is at 128 gig. Alright, so yeah, so it's using the latest version of Android. So well, I think that's good. I mean, this was just released a month ago, August 2022. So we should at least should be expecting that, right? So yeah, there you go. All right, I'll do all the checks later on. Gagamitin ko muna to for a few days or maybe even a week at least para mas magandang maging review natin nung product na to. At hindi lang yung bastang isang beses ko lang ginamit and magbibigay na ako ng review. But I'll do a full review video of this one, and so far it's looking good. But we'll see kapag talagang ginamit na natin siya for everyday use kung magiging maganda pa rin yung kalalabasan. Alright, so I'll stop it here para hindi na masyado maging mahaba to. I think mahaba na nga, but anyways, thanks for staying. And yeah, hintayin nyo na lang yung magiging full review ko nung video na to, itong VIVO Y22s. Alright, see you in that video. Peace out.